Hello students, good afternoon. Today's topic is P block elements 15th group class 3. In the previous class, we have learnt about the electronic configurations of 15th group elements, trends in their covalent radius, ionization enthalpy and electronegativity, melting points and boiling points, oxidation states. In this class, let us learn about the anomalous behavior of nitrogen, reactivity of 15th group elements towards hydrogen, oxygen and halogens. Anomalous behavior of nitrogen. In class 11th, you have studied about the periodic table, and in that the elements of second period of each group shows a different behavior from other members of the family. In the same way, nitrogen of 15th group shows a different behavior when compared to other elements in the group. Nitrogen has less reactivity. It does not have d orbitals. It is small in size, has a high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, ability to form p-pi bonds with itself, oxygen, carbon, etc. Because of all these characteristics, nitrogen shows a different behavior when compared to other elements of the same group. Nitrogen has high stability. The bond strength of N2 molecule is 941 kilojoule per mole. Nitrogen can form multiple bonds. You have studied in lower classes. The p-pi multiple bonds in nitrogen makes it small in size and high electronegative and having a high ionization enthalpy. As we learned just now, nitrogen does not have d orbitals. Due to the absence of d orbitals, nitrogen cannot form compounds like NCl5. Reactions of 15th group elements towards hydrogen. Group 15th elements react with hydrogen to form respective hydrates. The hydrates are namely ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine and bismuthine. All form hydrates of the formula EH3. Here E is the element of 15th group. In all these hydrates, the central atom, it may be nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. The central atom has a sp3 hybridization in which one of the orbitals has lone pair. In the diagram, you are able to see ammonia molecule. Here, this is the lone pair. The presence of lone pair makes the structure pyramidal instead of tetrahedral in all these hydrates. The bond angle in ammonia is 107.5 degrees. It is due to nitrogen being highly electronegative. High electron density is around the central nitrogen atom. This causes the greater repulsion between electron pairs. Lone pair bond pair repulsions make the bond angle 107.5 degrees instead 109 degrees as in the case of tetrahedral structure. In other hydrates of 15th group elements, the bond angle is less when compared to that of nitrogen. The bond angles you are able to see here: hydride, ammonia, phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuth. And bond angle in ammonia is 107.5 degrees. In phosphine it is 93.6. In arsine 91.8. And in stibine it is 91.3. From nitrogen to bismuth, the size of the atom increases. As the size increases, electron density over the molecule decreases, due to which repulsive forces decreases. As repulsive forces decreases, the bonds may come closer to each other. Therefore, the bond angle decreases in all other hydrides. Thermal stability of hydrides of group 15th elements. Thermal stability means withstanding of a substance even at high temperature. If the substance is heated to high temperature, the substance does not decompose, that is, it does not form original elements. Thermal stability of hydrides of group 15 elements decrease down the group. The stability of ammonia, which is more than phosphine, more than arsine, more than stibine, and more than bismuthine. What is the reason for this? The size of the atom increases down the group from nitrogen to bismuthine. As the size increases, bond strength decreases. As bond strength decreases, the bond can be broken very easily. That is, thermal stability decreases. Therefore, thermal stability of hydrides of group 15th elements decrease from ammonia to bismuthine. Now let us see the boiling points of hydrides of 15th group elements. Hydride and boiling point. Boiling point of ammonia is 238.5 Kelvin. Boiling point of phosphine is 185.5 Kelvin, and that of arsine is 120 Kelvin, and stibine is 254 Kelvin, and bismuthine is 290 Kelvin. In ammonia molecules, molecules are associated by intermolecular hydrogen bonds. As we know that the hydrogen bond increases the boiling point of any substance. In phosphine, arsine, stibine, and bismuthine, the molecular size increases. As the molecular size increases, van der Waals forces also increase down the group. The increase in van der Waals forces increases the boiling points from arsine to bismuthine. Reduction. In lower classes, you have studied about reduction. What is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen to any substance or removal of oxygen from any substance or increase in oxidation number of an element in a compound. All these are the definitions of reduction. Hydrides of 15th group act as reducing agents. How do they act as reducing agents? Hydrides means all these elements have hydrogen. So this hydrogen releases, and of course this hydrogen is given to other substances or elements, thus reduction takes place. Now the reducing nature increases from ammonia to bismuthine. How the reducing nature increases? Previously, we discussed that the thermal stability decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. As thermal stability decreases, the decomposition takes place easily, therefore hydrogen releases. So here, bond strength of NH increases in the case of ammonia. The ease of breaking the bond is less availability, due to which availability of hydrogen is less. Therefore, ammonia has less reducing capacity. From nitrogen to bismuthine, as the bond strength decreases and release of hydrogen increases, therefore the availability of hydrogen increases. Thus, reducing nature increases from ammonia to bismuthine. Hydrides of 15th group elements are Lewis bases. First of all, what is a Lewis base? A substance which is ready to donate its lone pair of electrons to form a coordinate covalent bond is known as Lewis base. On the other hand, Lewis acid is that which is ready to accept such a lone pair to form coordinate covalent bond is Lewis acid. Therefore, the reaction between a Lewis base and Lewis acid is nothing but formation of a coordinate covalent bond. Just now we discussed that the hydrides of 15th group, they have lone pair. So in this ammonia, this lone pair is shown. Just like ammonia, other hydrides also have lone pair at the central atom. This lone pair can be donated easily. So the lone pair is ready to be donated. The lone pair donors are referred as Lewis bases. Here, the Lewis basic character decreases down the group. Why the Lewis basic character decreases? Ammonia is a small molecule. The electron density around the molecule is very high. Therefore, the high electron density can be donated very easily. That is, the lone pair can be donated easily. As we move from ammonia to phosphine, arsine, stibine, bismuthine, as the molecular size increases, the electron density decreases. That is, the nature of donating the lone pair decreases from ammonia to bismuthine. Therefore, the Lewis basic character decreases down the group. The same thing we discussed just now. Nitrogen is small in size. The lone pair distributes on the small atom, that is molecule. Electron density is more. Electron donating capacity is more. Therefore, basic nature is more. Down the group, size increases. Electron density is less. Electron donating capacity becomes less. Therefore, the basic nature becomes less. Therefore, the basic nature of hydrides of 15th group element decrease from nitrogen to bismuth. Properties of hydrides of group 15th element. The melting points decrease down the group. Boiling points decrease down the group. EH bond strength increases from nitrogen to arsenic. HEH bond angle decreases from ammonia to stibine, and ionization enthalpy increases from ammonia to bismuthine, and bond dissociation energy also decreases down the group. Reactions of 15th group elements with oxygen. 15th group elements react with oxygen and form oxides of types E2O3, E2O5, that is trioxides and pentoxides. The acidic character of pentoxide is more than that of respective trioxide. In trioxides, N2O3, that is dinitrogen trioxide, P2O3, diphosphorus trioxide, are strongly acidic. Arsenic trioxide is weakly acidic. Stibinium trioxide is amphoteric, that is, it behaves as acid when it reacts with the base and vice versa. And bismuthine oxide is basic in nature. Acidity decreases down the group. Acidity of these trioxides decrease down the group, and order is given here. What is the reason for decrease in acidity? Coming from nitrogen to bismuth, nitrogen is small in size. Because of the small size, the strong positive field spreads around the atom. The strong positive field interacts with the water strongly, pulls the electron pair of OH bond of water. As electron pair of OH bond is pulled towards, H plus ion releases, hence acidic in nature. Nitrogen forms a variety of oxides. Except N2O, that is nitrous oxide, and nitric oxide, that is NO, all oxides are acidic. Oxides of phosphorus are acidic in nature. So here in the table it is given that in N2O5, nitrogen shows +5 oxidation state. In nitrogen dioxide or dinitrogen tetroxide, dinitrogen tetroxide is a dimer of nitrogen dioxide. In nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen shows a +4 oxidation state. In N2O3, dinitrogen trioxide, it shows a +3 oxidation state. In nitric oxide, it shows a +2, and in nitrous oxide, it shows +1 oxidation state. And all other elements form trioxides and pentoxides. 15th group elements combine with halogens to form respective halides. All the elements of 15th group form trihalides and pentahalides. The exception is with nitrogen. Pentahalides are more covalent than trihalides. Nitrogen does not form pentahalides due to the absence of d orbitals. Here in this table, trihalides are given. All the elements form trifluorides, trichlorides, tribromides, and except bismuthine, all except nitrogen, all form triiodides. Nitrogen triiodide is not existing because of the large size of iodine atom. Among the pentahalides, except nitrogen, all elements form pentafluorides. Phosphorus, arsenic, and stibine form pentachlorides, and only phosphorus can form pentabromide. Pentabromides and pentaiodides are not possible because of the large size of the halogen atom. Thank you. We conclude this unit with this. In the next class, let us discuss about the preparation of nitrogen in laboratory and its commercial production, properties of nitrogen, and preparation and properties of ammonia. Thank you.